How to fix Facebook checkpoint problem on your Facebook account. Today guys, I have the solution of this problem. Just follow this video until the end. So let's start. First, you will just open settings of your phone, then you will go directly to apps or applications. You will find all the applications that you have in your phone. You will search now just for Facebook, and when you found it, just open it, and you have to scroll down the screen and click on storage, and then go to clear data like this and click OK, and that's it. Now your problem will fixed correctly and very fast and easy. So that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.